LOA fam from Shinjuku, Tokyo, Japan.
I am Ashley, this is my husband Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Today we are in Shinjuku. We're doing a night market food tour, so come along and enjoy the ride. The first place we're headed into is Shinjuku Golden Gai. It is a market that used to be a black market in the days after World War II. A bunch of tiny little stalls now, it's just a bunch of bars and stuff. A really cool area.
Our tour guide was saying how small these bars are. I saw one and it had bar stools and there were only 6. That's the whole bar. This would be such a fun place to come at nighttime, but right now it's just a little quiet. I think around 8 o'clock is when they all open.
Bullet, bullet, fire, like cherry bomb. Feel it, yum. Bullet, bullet, fire, like cherry bomb. Feel it, yum. I'm the biggest hit, I'm the biggest hit on the stage. I'm the biggest hit, I'm the biggest hit on the stage. I'm the biggest hit, I'm the biggest hit on the stage. When I'm in the room, click, clack, I'ma do my thing. Boom, getting louder here when everybody say my
We are now in the old red light district area, or Kabuki-kan, I want to say. Kabuki meaning form of entertainment. Back in the day, you'd have like a geisha. Kind of here now with like host clubs and host cafes where someone serves you and treats you really nicely. But it's more just a bit of history now. But this is the Japan, this is the Tokyo that you imagine when you think of like crazy Tokyo, right? All these lights, all this bright colors and weird stuff. This is it. Alright, Ashley's trying something called takoyaki. Taco is octopus, and yaki is the way they cook it. Takoyaki has a slight, very light grilled octopus flavor with like a creamy sauce around it. It was really good sauce, a little bit of crunch of like, I guess, panko bread, something like that. But then a tiny hint of ginger. It was a really good mix of flavors and perhaps one of the best things I've had in Japan so far. But we have a lot more left to the tour, a lot of chances for the flavors to come out and explore really good tasting stuff.
Tonkatsu Mimura, and we're going to try tonkatsu. Tonkatsu is a pork cutlet.
One of the things that I'm starting to really love about Japan is that a lot of the restaurants have fake food, and the fake food looks real. So realistic, and you can easily see what you want, what looks delicious to you, just by looking at the fake food. And it most likely will come out looking just like this.
Because of course they deep fried the pork, but after that they grill it to take all the extra oil out. It's a kind of a barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Here they call it tonkatsu sauce, so it's something they make especially for this type of cutlet. So ton means pork, and katsu is the way, again, the way they cook it.
The outside is so crunchy.
On a scale of 1 to the best pork cutlets you've ever had?
They're back.
Yeah, it's up there.
It's like the best.
This is okonomiyaki. It is a Japanese pancake. This is Hiroshima style, made by the chef who is from Hiroshima. This one in particular is made with a mochi and cheese base, and there's egg in it. We've got cabbage, all kinds of stuff in it. Oh yeah, that's really good. There's what seems to be bacon in it as well. I've never had okonomiyaki any other style. This is the first time I've ever tried it, and I can recommend it highly.
From your love, from your love.
This is barbecued chicken tail,
Don't you should eat.
and it's amazing. Try chicken tail. Seriously.
I'm staying up. I don't wanna come down from your love. We'll get lost together now before. Don't ever let me come down from your love.
Our last stop is dessert. We stopped at a shop down here in the metro, one of the largest metro stations in the world, certainly the largest in Japan. It was established in 1944, and we are trying some of their matcha ice cream. That's really good. This is matcha and ice cream. So it's got a little bit of creaminess to it, a little bit of sweetness, but the aftertaste is that bitter matcha. And imagine it has all the antioxidant benefits that come with matcha, so if you need to be healthy and have ice cream at the same time, this is the way to go.
Hey, matcha and bitterness is not like my friend. You guys know I like sweet, and so I got a mix of vanilla and matcha. So it's supposed to be, you know, like the happy medium, I guess. Let's get a little of this and a little of that. Whoa, that's delicious!
Really?
That's so creamy.
Yeah?
Holy fuck. Almost like McDonald's vanilla creamy.
Oh, compared to McDonald's, that's a great standard.
It's just really, really creamy soft serve. You can't really taste the matcha. I'm trying to think of a joke about I matcha like it.
Maybe you're gonna have too much of that.
I don't want too much of this.
Hey. That food was amazing. The tour is fantastic. Thank you so much to Ninja Food Tours here in Tokyo.
Yeah.
Amazing.
That was amazing. That was probably one of my favorite food tours. Like everything we ate, I love.
And you're full. You're like, I had to stop eating food because there was so much of it.
It was so fun. We wouldn't have found everything on our own.
If you want to see the food tour of the fish market here in Tokyo, check out our other video right here. And I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Good night.